one application that will help you to answer some of your worded problem solving or any questions that you want. So the application name is StudyX. You can download it in your Google Play Store or you can search it in Google Chrome. So here, once you enter the StudyX, you are going to log in first using your email. Make sure your email has this at gmail.com in the end so that it will be recognized by StudyX application. Now, once done, once you already log in, you may now go to home and then kindly take a picture of the problem that you want to solve. So here, let's try. So let's say I want to solve number 1. So just click and kindly go on the number 1 question. So here, and then kindly check. After that, the StudyX will provide solution to your question. So here is the step-by-step solution to your question. Okay, and as you can see, it will provide the steps and also the final answer. So that will be all, and I hope that this video will help you in order to solve some problem in your questions in different subjects. It's either math, English, science, and any other subject. So that's it for today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel.